Imagine your car breaks down tomorrow, or your boiler stops working, or you suddenly lose your job. Could you pay the bills without using a credit card? For millions of people, the answer is no. That's why one of the smartest financial decisions you can make has nothing to do with investing. It's building an emergency fund. Today, you'll learn exactly what an emergency fund is, how much you should save, where to keep it, and how to build one, even if you're starting from zero. An emergency fund is money set aside specifically for unexpected events. It isn't holiday money, it isn't investment money, it isn't spending money, it's your financial safety net. Its purpose is simple: to stop life's surprises from becoming financial disasters. Instead of borrowing money at high interest, you simply use the money you've already saved. That's why an emergency fund often saves you far more than it earns in interest. So what counts as an emergency? Well, a true emergency is something unexpected, necessary, and urgent. So examples would include unexpected medical expense, major car repair, essential home repairs, temporary job loss, emergency travel for a family problem. Replacing your television because a newer model came out? No, that's not an emergency. Neither is a holiday, Christmas shopping, or buying the latest mobile phone. The key question is, could this reasonably have been planned for? And if the answer is yes, then it shouldn't be paid for out of your emergency fund. Financial experts usually recommend saving between 3 and 6 months of essential living expenses. Notice I said expenses, not income. So if your essential monthly expenses are $2,000, then 3 months would equal $6,000 and 6 months would equal $12,000. People with stable employment may feel comfortable with 3 months. Those who are self-employed or have irregular income often prefer 6 months or even more. If these numbers seem overwhelming, don't worry. Your first goal doesn't have to need to be thousands. First aim for 500, then 1,000, then continually build steadily. Every dollar saved increases your financial security. An emergency fund should be safe, accessible, and separate from your everyday spending account. This is not money for investing in shares, not money for cryptocurrency, not money for anything that can be expected. It's not money locked away for years. Its priority is not earning the highest return. The priority is being able to access quickly when you need it. Many people choose an easy access saving account with a reputable bank or building society. That way the money remains available while still earning some interest. So how do you build it? Building an emergency fund isn't about finding lots of spare money overnight. It's about consistency. Start by deciding on a realistic monthly amount, perhaps $50, maybe $100, $25. The amount matters less than making it automatic. Set up an automatic transfer the day after you're paid. Pay yourself first. Treat savings like a bill that must always be paid. Over time, those regular deposits grow surprisingly quickly. Now, many people make the same mistakes. They keep spending from the fund for non-emergencies. They invest emergency money in risky assets, or they never replace the money after using it. Remember, your emergency fund should always be rebuilt after it's used. Think of it like replacing the batteries in your smoke alarm. You hope you never need it, but when you do, you'll be very glad it's there. Having an emergency fund doesn't just improve your finance, it improves your peace of mind. Unexpected bills become manageable. You rely less on high-interest credit cards, you avoid expensive loans, and you make better long-term financial decisions because you're no longer living in constant financial fear. Financial freedom starts long before investing. It starts with being prepared. An emergency fund isn't exciting. It won't make headlines, but it may be the single most important financial decision you ever make. Start small, stay consistent, protect yourself before chasing investment returns. Because when life throws the unexpected your way, you'll already be ready. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and join us for more practical financial education from Valkyrie Simple Finance. Thank you for watching.